on come over we told you about technology. What the Murphy me? The Murphy. At the Murphy. Mother, you might or you ban now at the Murphy way. At the Murphy. You get where I want to talk to you. I'm not sure what service you get the Murphy or not done now. The reason why I don't watch the Murphy because of the cause we had received concerning the Murphy. It is done. The Murphy. My problem with you. The only problem I get with you is the kind of lie where you lie. Oh, you know, no, you deceive you do. And my way, I'm a problem. Oh, we're not this straightforward. I'm not going to issue with you. I'm not going to saga you. I'm not going to insult you. You understand? You see, a God you were my we between me and you. When I get God you were my we. You understand? You came at the form like say you're good lost, good and fine. A God you were now we. A weapon my yena the Murphy. Me na do come where a God you may we. A the Murphy. You as a senior, 791 working. Work by the webu. That person we hear any me. It do come away a party Murphy. A God you may we oh. That person hear me. Umenwe. C'est police. On va do me go to the problem. Who will say police? Because I will be my yena. Même moi bodio women webu. E police me hiati. On va no neighbor me. Me suspect or do me good mu. If even me na kuga me neighbor me wala dia wo wa me. E go di me na wi. E search my me boy. What is the next thing I do? It's a police. You understand? If I peradventure, as you are just coming out from your house, you saw Obioku or Melissa walking out of your bedroom, and you find out your God was missing, you search them immediately, or after they have left. You search your room, you find out the God was missing. The people you suspect was the two persons that walked out of your room, Iye Melissa and Obioku. What do you have to do? You can't go and fight them. You can't even go and be narrating that they're the one that stole your good. You go straight to the police. This is the suspect. This is the two people that I suspected that came to my house to rob me. Then the police will start investigating the issue. Anybody that touched that bag, they will complete everything. Your luggage, your wife's luggage that you video that you showed, police will complete every hands that touched that bag. They go complete them. The foot that step to your house, that step into your room, they go complete and they go find out everything. You understand me now? Even your own son eyeball, this your son eyeball, they go say the last person eye will see. If you don't know, make I tell you now, abroad here with they. Then they do them. They go detect the person where this your son eye look last. We put gun for your head. And Murphy, you plan this thing with your son. Unfortunately, your son was not smart enough because he not that kind of expensive lie. The lie was too expensive. And that's the reason why social media we are very sensitive. Any as Murphy, una find that or not do a good brought them to my chamber. Me I deba we saga. But I find out what the Epa Uto Ogbe. My brother, you not go walk. You know the reason why. Until you stop this nonsense. If you stop this lie, you no problem with you. And I've told you, everyone know where more you will come out and apologize to them. But when I hear where these are your friends, everyone do not because a problem with the Murphy. You don't get problem. A chief, whether a barrister, we are settled my weather. What did I told them? I said the Murphy problem is soccer, or a problem at the Murphy. I told them, and you were there. In my time, I said it in your presence. At the Murphy, but you might be who done. I mean, look, Benny. You don't bet the Murphy. You don't see the Murphy cut off. You consider the Murphy cut off. But you both have your power on social media now. It's your problem. I will keep telling it to your eyes. It's soccer. It's your problem. And me look when you're a problem where anyway. In my head, you were. Hey, that for joke. Hey, that the best soccer togi. Alabuki. You are too older than this situation you are finding yourself today. If you are you not ashamed of yourself? A mono we are now have a problem. I to level where they were a party muffy did a party muffy did go meet a party muffy. They are not the one pouring spit on your eyes. And they shame for you. A Dimoffi. Oh, 21 lakbo. No, I are respectable. And you were not here, not go one and Nekomaria day. No, where I want me go and not yanani. This is time for you to maintain that name back again. But now it is already time for you to destroy that name with your lies. And Dimoffi is bad. This one go talk to you words of wisdom. They will give you words of wisdom. You go badger. This one will give you words of wisdom. You go badger. Who done a homer? Who ya vessel? Eh, Susie. Oh, she did not insult you. Yesterday night you come out and you are badging Susie because of family Ogbe. Then you know why? Where we are not see Agbada go not demo boy who tell me even you are not a man. A social media when I am ma who have you. Social media now you be mad. Inside your house you be slave to it, okay. And the Dimoffi don't work. About clear. It might not see a bone, but I'm telling you the fact about you. Where you are getting it wrong. A God normal win what we. You know. Baba, see, we not be fool for abroad. You understand? Now John none of us they so. And you via God you are not we as custom and traditions demand. You are in abroad, you do a good move. Then you take the issue to court. Not to come to the oppressed people for media, or because say you be live video presenter. They oppress the innocent people. It is not done, and that's not acceptable by me. Secondly, you can go to Benin and carry voodoo or juju. Don't see a boy yo. Don't see a boy yo. Tiazo webo. Tiazo webo. It's very simple. I go on yo. Let them go and swear. Ah, get a mere wing among ayemiomo or a mere ayemiomo a good with no dog we. Utiazo. Oh, ayemiomo, ayemiomo, nebo bogia. Yeah, not even buyer, a boy with boo. Simple. A matter question, everybody go do peace. Not you. Sitting down on your own way, area bossy or bossy. The same you that say or bossy, you were insulting the obu. How no mind nigby. So, what are you saying, bro? Because you believe say you get platform, you go fit come at you and your amilogbe. Knock the buzz your way. How do I rob you my media? No man by ever. Only love for the past 3 years. When you don't do a good move. And you expect me to fold my hand and be looking at you where, hey, you are right. I walk video now. It's one of those days. Memela webu. We been human trafficking. We are oppressing man. We are pitching some people out here. We human trafficking. You know why you go bail boy. But this time around, it's not going to happen. As soon as bros, who dare a picture of the mula jana? Who you whatever now? Remember picture of the Deladian. Understand? So my guy, coordinate your house where. If you don't want to collect shot on my hand, respect yourself. Coordinate your house where. The other day, Ulari restaurants yari a last born where you brought that boy on live screen to be insulting on one side of boy. No go with you wa. Oh, not you wa. Una move your hand like you know what here body. Is that a good lesson you are teaching that boy? Do whatever who are no why more. Oh, sorry. We tell Boreba, sorry. We say it should be done at the moment. I tell you, boy. Sorry, it's a body, man, don't tell body. Manasta. But if you know ni man, manasta. If you know ni, then you may why you know what do you Kevin or you know what you put a live video. You go do a table where you did it to me. You know, go with you. We might look at you. The other day, my way home. Udo yo kan no de la video. Amazo. Aso. Amazo. Aso. Una de wo la dia. Una won lo ati e bo de no migo. E no migo. Aso. Obi o kan kere. Obi ya mimi. Na me my ka bo no my 7 years. You brought him to media. There is nothing good that you are teaching that boy. To mo kan la dia na. Where me am Kevin la dia. It will not abidi. It will not Benin national item. Can that your son recite Benin national item or by why no genigo? Or you when you got it here with live video? You have never brought your son. No, you do when you have never brought him out one day to recite, to speak a good words out of his mouth. You will sit down, you will insult people's children while your own son is with you there. Where it's ye bon if man ou mo wela dian, wo bi a tie bonema. Of you when look not dian, look at his madness. Boga agbale Morocco. And you paro egbowe no ma, bet what you know sao ma say. What you know yari ago ma wa, o we ku you wa. What you know di ago ma wa. No ya le no go wa, no we make na manwe. Eddie Murphy at your age, o ye menwe. Every time, everything even here, I don't know how to put it for you to understand. But sometimes somebody to tell you the truth where you are getting it wrong, my brother. You are really getting it wrong. And you are making them useless. Because there is nothing good about that you brought out to the media. Even the Dosh in the school, it's not right for you to be Doshi. Then come up to media to be saying all fuck words, F words. F words on media. And who was social media president? What president you? My brother, you don't know where she who are only getting out of your media. Don't know where she. And then God now. Imagine go glasses there. Do my go to ask so and I go to see here. You go to where we, you go to where we, you go to and you go to we. Why are you all doing this? Do go bed deco. Go and meet your brother. Die you or you go no. Then in the manner we are going to deco, you know, no say ourselves. Eh? I don't understand. You know, it's a greedy man. Deco is a very stingy man. As you boy, I can't talk about no. Must you be forging all these things to get money from him? He got your banner. He got those states no. So don't already know. And why you know? Man, so my brother, use your brain. Because when you start doing these things, you are bringing shame and disgrace to the APC members. Then the APC will media coordinator. At the end of the day, look at their life today. No, I think they're just the same way you are. Better receive that flocks together. That's the reason why I don't want to associate myself with you. Because you're not always honest. When it is on your favor, you say it the way it is. It's not favoring you. Who been Emma Bros. It is very wrong. No matter. Any way you call. Oh, I'm matter. I'm not I know who am my brother. No, I don't care. I will tell you the truth. There's no problem anyway. I'm not you go to verse. And me look better pumpy. And me look better. No, we're coming on Masigidi. When you a guy, a good shock, it's a very useless woman. I'm not taking about the right. See about the thing. So what who am I? But why don't when he read the buffet article, I don't know come because why? Wherever you were running, roll your twin, who so what is so big about the issue you are going to give to me? Oh, what? You say help Billy Kid if you know Guiana. So what are you going to say? No, I can't me. You understand? Who are you not condemn elements? Oh, it's a video now. Oh, this one cost now, condemn elements. Sorry, Egui, very sorry. Only say bonwe. Only ati bono ye joy we. Paddy Murphy don sorry sir. Egui. They really Egui go na ga so no we. Ege so no we because even what we say matter we. I just clear my mind. Egui mo. Mo no say bonwe. Don't know son we egui. But I have to tell you the truth about yourself. Oh, can we get so can boy? Oh, can give away me? That's the truth. It's a problem with Umao. You go ma no mudi me yeko. Or once of ifu. But because we na ari hu dan yo wa, emi lo gbe ni han gbo e. You don't tell born well. That is, I'm trying to let you know your problem. You may born well now. Man, son, you born well. Man, don't tell born well. Emi lo gbe soke. Former daughter of Bobizwa. Oh, he gbo we. You don't give away me. You understand? Because I will love your egg. And when I'm your bear winner, I teach about that egg. Then you react to Matana, what take and one or where ye a bonor for. Master. Una our bear winner. No believe you get a duro, I beg you, beggar. A beggar, and I beg you, okay, go bow, who knew one. Also, when I think you bow. Frankie. Bow everybody. Egg allow. Egg not a bonus law. Marido Tebon, I'm very sorry. When you only analyze the matter, I'll say now, also, Martin, look at me. You only have to bonnet no way. Oh, you're making you won't go. Hey, that are going on young boy, never respect. But how we may respect you and lawyer, your boy lawyer. Respect, Shema, I greet you. You want respect you, Baba. But when you have video now, we understand the president of the king, understand. I have a video there, a book do I do wait, take. You need to take it on him, my little Chebon. You never with him, you are senior man. I respect you. What's the matter, my dear? As a bros, I give a lawyer. You are the God, Baba. Understand? As the deputy governor to Edo State, the senior brother to the deputy governor of Edo State, I respect you. Understand? He married to Bono a video now. He wanted to have Vassiway as a senior man. Understand? Egui. Understand? Whatever time I'm going to see you are a nice man. You are a very nice man. Understand? But one day he's so kenny. Or what on your motiwe. Or a pione, who's one zoo. And a man can only do pa. But we are long boy as a master senior man. Actually, don't Bono. What taking one other video now? Manasana. Any Emmy on what I'm or what? You're from Kito, what you would do. Well, almost what heavy with me pa. Who's the ya user of Bolo? One at Bolo a brain. Number 6. Walway. 1 Walway. Here at your bonway or what condition? Oh, I tell what. You understand? No, I tell what I have a problem at all. Where I'm going to call you sort you. You Eddie Murphy. You Deco brother, deputy governor brother. Edo State deputy governor. Yamawu. Mario Negilawa. Mario Negilawa. Guagawa. Guagawa. Jack, you take go now. Jack, what boy? I didn't feel like I go. I go. Eh? You know, sir. Okay. Continue checking. You know the year. No, sir. Now, on what condition or at a matter? A good man will not go to we. Understand? Emma. And the funniest part, no, yeah, suspecting man, innocent people. And within you and your wife and your son, about planning Germany, why ain't good man we? I want to put on Ozuo, my hair am soon. When good man we, we know what 4G, you know, 4G, you might be Emma. You know, good. Female. Okay. Why you not for? So if you knew me, where would you? Also, I'm going to go short video now. By the Murphy. You understand? Anyway, I call it. It's like go back go. You understand even now? The major fact is this. Try as much as possible to apologize to those people you accuse wrongly. When we are begging your hair, you can still call them when you are Mozo. Understand? Well, you can still call them when you are Mozo. You don't have any problem with you. Me, I don't get issue. Once you do the apology, I don't get issue. Life goes on with the enjoy yourself, they go with the properly they go because you know you're good, you know everything. You know loss. You understand? Don't know about we. Let's assume we go the way we. You don't mamuya red handed. We are my bug in November. You understand? No way, here and we have here near the body. You say, when you have some see a yard, you don't remember. Cannot hear good the air marriage. They are suspects. You know, and not get away. And not get a suspect. Why can't you get that? They are suspects. You understand? So those things, you're supposed to know these things. You are not going back home. I can't go to know what the mood do go do. I'm not trust to what. There's nothing where you. You understand? Me have marriage. Lost marriage. If I go raw, okay, when soon. He go dinner. You gonna me what the reason, what the return. You can do. You guys can do that already. There is nothing you guys cannot do. And the Murphy make bad one. You understand? Okay, but it make sense. You know everything. When they go you know everything. You are accusing people wrongly. It's bad. Even make I'm aware that we there, so you have the right to raise alarm. You have the right to look for your thing on we in anyhow you but not accusing people directly. You understand? But not woman obedient. I'm not walking with you. Doesn't work that way, bro. You understand? I'm not full of what? What up? So apologize to them and do the needful. I don't have a problem with you. I will not be insulting you anymore. You don't even want to say. You tell me. When be a cacan, oh, how we so be a respect you. You know these things. I will in the car yard you're going. Nagaya Ruby away. As a senior man, we don't take for the game. Because when you start behaving like a children are going to use the play. It don't make sense. I know so nice can they push you for all these things. But at least we are long away as a senior man. What talk by sir, the monster. Now woman wow. You be shaman. So just run on like that, you go clear. Peace deed. Pineapple. Dareo. Nikpaka amu. Anyanyao. Ogan bodo my neck. There are where I will not pick your godo. Here, gentleman, it bay. Soon with the Muruwa. Man again, the Moro come back driving and I had this previous markets. Man, I was shopping. Oh, well, no look at the obu. Look at the obu. Well, I'm going to keep your Facebook here. A mass war, we are more bored. A boy called the woman Ziggy. A boy might tell you not going to deport Yariwa. A boy back on you acquire the canto. Vaya Kiswin, a couple of your baby. Where I would be. When no you were head dead, or back. No, why I take up, why I take the Kubé, or Boone, I do the way of a poundy wine. Now, away and Europa, I am you like one leg. Or do. Yeah, what the woolala. I want over the rope. I watch. Oh, how much money? Yes, I do. Oh, okay. Yeah, what they will allow some you are so because he's a bad guy. No, way. Wherever you want to be a way back, why you have we? Nonsense woman. Oh, no man, it be a pavio. Why you cost up for this life? I'm only driving lessons to never like me. What kind of man doesn't know the driving lessons at all? Go straight. Manly way. They will only drive lessons. What's it? It's a guide.
Driving lessons maybe since more than 12-15 years.
Okay, that's a guy, but only driving lessons. When you are going right, you stand right. When you are going left, stay for left. That's why we marry years ago now. I don't understand the law of marriage here. I wait if you know, you put on. Ma capiche. Capito? Off work, wait. I understand it now. I'm blocking on Nane.
Yeah, well, yes, maybe do I can we I said him. I didn't video.
Let me my own.
Do be a get and I live on. You know, I can do for a consequence.
Oh, look, one of your game show. But only I know is down. I will never block money for the 1 year plus now. Very sad guy. You don't want to change your way. Eh? I want to change. Come on. Where go down?
We see me we win a fit on we might give you home. Mamma mia.
You might give me who?
Basta.
Anybody say what person? I don't know why you wouldn't know why you did. Only car wa wule. Wala gbo gbagbe ka. Awa clear. Okabo. Share video na me. Share me the video for Okabo. Okan bono ma ni gbe ya lati ti gbe odo ati ti won ga mu yo mu hin mi ya ge so gbo yawo niyen ati ti won ga mu yo mu hin won ya hun da ro bi fa mi to e wa fa igbin na how market jejo ati ti won di pon agbaye ke won na ga ti information about me no ya le be kun. You and Julie London on a property. And it don't really make saga. Oh God, it got work. And then I am a search page at it. I mean, at this is not no page. See life. You want to block him when I pack you? I'm not telling you where I can pack you. You're tight. Okay. We're not to do simple. Can I pack it? Can I pack it? No, that is wait to tell you more. Once again, yellow night pack you. Why are the train station? You want to boss or pack you? Because in my way, when I make it back in once, anything just come. Ciao.
You did anything?
What did that mean? I don't do anything. Man, don't buy me anything. Ciao. Yo, hotelization. Ye joy. Do my dear. You joy there a bit more hall. Be more hall. A bit more hall, ye joy. At the end of the day now, Kimeku wena. Don't want to query muna. Don't want to boggy wana. Oh bueno. Mori do agi wena nia. Mori do agi what it now. Because if I allow what it be na igbina. The reason why we here at Tamanta you want to because why? You are APC member, and the office is APC member. If this will know you are APC member or you could is APC member. So you know if you can speak the truth. Because Josage is APC coordinator. No here at Tamanta raw. What we been always certain. He did all the of your bone where water. Hey God, I just oh. Am I if you brother and one of your body muffin? Where's one of your body muffin concerning of an job? Where I do Taviki. I don't talk much. I know what I'm saying. Eddie muffin lord me and do I call it out to. Eddie knows I get on book your mighty I love you. Because you're a support of your brother. Now see this life. Now see this life. We be the problem of ourselves. We say government not good now. We not good. We not good. We say we the complacent government not good. I wonder. A life in my balance, I swear. For my balance. My balance at all. Even water when near politics. We are getting genocide. Setroma. Ogbokoyo. Off Wagby. As my day women, I think married who, I think married the day. There was a game I think married the dinner. Already the day who, or my team would do you wa. We're really the day who, or my team would do you wa. Iye John on now, not now, when as a government. Give me a toast to do my new women. Ye John, give me a toast to women where you are calling me, as money. Give me a toast to my new women. Because here you are useless, one must say, one must boom. Blishy, face where you are black. Face where you are black. When I snow carily. You know, but they like now. I go na make your way. On my marry, we kick your head, they are what you will do well. Veya. When we don't have a boy who will do or do will be behind that. I will love what we did with the time. You know, boat carry, nothing boat carry enter house for the time. And 9 things now. When I'm looking at us now, everything. It jolly just come. Nonsense. Share this video, guys. This is 3. Iyore. Sister no ya mo bia. No less ye mo aye. Odo ago ori ye mo bia. No less ye mo aye. Ewe ya do engage you. Useless woman. A man that ran away from his home. As a proud Losho, no man you why see I. Igbiage for that effect. What you basha wone? Every time I have different family la one do aho ewo. What you bank biage? Biage no. Proud man see they do igbiage. Oh, yeah, quality. Better style. She. The boy said, they don't win Salasi. Nice one. Anybody where you get Salasi information, when you bring a call for me. That useless boy with problem saying go my husband so. I want your going. I make you the request now. Anybody that has the information, who the father, the mother, the brother, the siblings, the relative will concern sellers at the pitching argument. So that's a little testing of the saga. Yes. Motai. You must some you know yata. Pudli. You live in now. You have your bonny man. Don't be joke. I go beat Chris for that guy. I don't know say. According any almost jano. We know almost jari boy almost ja. If family look at what. Iban here am wela jan. What that gbe yan.
Hi guys. How una say una good morning. Bele.
The man near you, ba. Well, I say hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Umete, good morning, good afternoon. Support the guest, support the star, support the second one. Oh, boy, guys, say da. Where the boy what do with all this last? Eba me gugwe. Me denu we be kaso wane. We gbo do vio bonu. Egbe oko we salasi. Ya gbo mu salasi. Ma mi ro.
Otomege no wamena. Otomege ne kesimena. No ya me o ne iwe.
No ya we o no iwe. Yes. Esta me we ya si wona. No ya we o no iwe. Let's get a really mugu. Let's get a state mugu. Social media state mugu. Social media state mugu. Alright guys. Let me leave you guys now. And I will see you guys in a bit. In a bit. I will see you guys in a bit. Now bye bye for the now.